Hello, I am Anjani Pandey, a front-end developer at Critical. It's been 5 years since I began my journey with the company. My journey as a front-end developer began as a casual interest but soon transformed into a passionate profession. My initial days at Critical were an interesting one, I must say. When I joined as a front-end developer in the department, I got the opportunity to handle both front-end and product integration single-handedly. That was a quite responsibility, but I enjoyed it deeply. I have seen the company grow from 50 employees to today standing at over 200 employees with new core workers and a few of my old peers. So far, it's been an exciting journey from working independently to working as a team. As a front-end developer, I specialize in creating user-friendly interfaces and enhancing user experiences through modern web technologies. I am passionate about continuous learning. I strive to deliver high-quality, responsive applications. Regarding my daily work routine, it differs. At times, it is a calm start. Other days, the pressure kicks in right away. Well, that's part of our job. After all, I am a front-end developer. Our work differs every day with new challenges and new learnings. As a general overview of my daily routine, it usually includes a quick scrum to discuss progress, challenges, and upcoming deadlines to align everyone in the team. Post that, I dive into coding, collaborating with the design and backend teams, testing and reviewing interfaces, documenting updates, and occasionally managing junior team members. Coming to work experience, it has been truly rewarding. Over the years, I have had the chance to grow both professionally and personally. I was restored with the Best Front-End Developer Award for 5 consecutive years. Such acknowledgement was both a motivation and a validation of my work. One of the best parts of being at Critical, as I have mentioned before, is the new learning opportunities. As a front-end developer, I frequently encounter challenging tasks. One such instance was when I was interested with revamping the overall UI of a tool that was already in its final stages of development and ready for launch. Despite the complexities and time constraints, I successfully delivered the updated design, ensuring it met the required standard and timelines. This accomplishment stands out as a proud moment in my career. At times, I receive very tight deadlines for which I have developed strategies to stay focused, prioritize tasks, and improve my problem-solving skill to deliver the project on time. It pushes me to deliver high-quality results efficiently while adapting quickly to changing requirements. Last but not the least, I would like to say that being part of Critical has been a rewarding journey, allowing me to grow both technically and professionally. I have had the opportunity to contribute to projects that protect digital ecosystem. Also, I am eager to continue this journey, pushing boundaries and delivering impactful solutions in front-end development, from new tools and technologies to problem-solving challenges. Every day at Critical brings something new to explore. My advice to employees at Critical is to embrace continuous learning, communicate openly, and maintain a healthy work-life balance.